We're not playing this.
I'll bring it to the court.
We're not.
I'll bring it to the court.
Screw it.
I'll bring it to the court.
No, we're not doing this.
She was given every chance to walk away, but one aggressive move changed everything. Our story begins on a typical Saturday afternoon when a deputy pulls over a vehicle for going 49 in a 40-mile-per-hour zone. The driver, a mother on her way to pick up her kids, seems cooperative at first. However, things take a suspicious turn the moment the deputy checks the paperwork. A Texas temporary tag on a car in Florida, driven by a local resident. That's the first red flag in what was supposed to be a simple traffic stop.
County Sheriff's Office. I stopped you today because you're going 49 in a 40.
Apologize.
You're fine.
I'm trying to pick up my kids.
I gotcha. Just license, registration, and proof of insurance.
Oh, alright. I just got my license.
They're on 13 Seminole. That temp tag's going to be out of Texas, not Florida.
Let's get somewhere.
Are you from Texas? Is that why there's a Texas temp tag on the car?
I'm not from Texas. I just moved down here recently.
Okay. Did you buy the car in Texas?
No. New York.
Okay. Do you have the registration?
No, I don't have none of that. I left it in my house.
Okay. Do you have the insurance card?
No.
Nope. Okay. Is this your vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. Where did you purchase it out of?
In New York.
In New York? Okay. So the temp tag's from New York? That's on it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because nothing's coming back for it.
Okay. And
So you have to have a valid tag on a vehicle to drive it. So I'm just trying to figure out why the tag isn't coming back out of New York.
so my
It's showing that.
car?
Mm-hmm.
How? Exactly.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. So that's why I was making sure you said New York, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just give me a second.
FCIC clear. Tag not found.
Do they live in here?
Tag's not coming back to anything out of New York.
Is it the same
Ma'am,
thing?
stay in your car.
Did you guys take my
Sit back down.
temporary tag from my car?
Sit back down.
Okay, I just want to make sure. No, I just want to make sure.
Do you have any paperwork on the car?
Don't worry about it. I have stuff. You see the tag right
Yeah.
there? Okay.
It's not coming back to the car. That's why we're asking.
It's my car though. It's coming to the car. It's gonna come to the car.
How long have you had the car?
Hmm?
How long have you had the car?
I had my car. Maybe 3 years. Maybe 3 years.
And you still have a temp tag? Or why do you have a temp tag if you've had it for so long?
Because I just am getting a temp tag.
Okay. Usually you get a temp tag when the car's new.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Why is it if you got the car in... Did you come from New York or you got the car in New York?
Both.
Okay. Well, how did you end up with a Texas temp tag?
I just got it.
From
A temporary plaque
from where did you get it, though?
from someone.
The tag showing assigned is Kilo Whiskey Foxtrot 9300. Comes back to a 2019 Nissan Rogue, white in color. Status is license suspended reference violation of toll.
After running the VIN, the deputy discovers the car was previously registered in New York, and the current tag doesn't return to any active database. The driver begins offering a series of conflicting stories, first claiming she bought the car in New York, then admitting she doesn't know where the tag came from. As we often see, these inconsistencies usually point to an attempt to avoid registration fees or insurance requirements, forcing the deputy to dig deeper into the vehicle's legal status.
Collection regulations assessed by a public authority.
I copy, thank you. Her Florida license isn't suspended, though.
Okay.
Telephone number.
So I don't know.
Then I would say she's fine.
But the tag's supposed to be different.
The tag is... Yeah, but the tag comes back to the same thing.
Yeah, so I don't...
And it's valid. I would personally say it's fine.
I'm just gonna run it out of Texas since the damn thing says Texas on it.
FCIC
Like if you
clear.
ran it out of Texas and it came back to the car,
Expired tag.
Out of
you ran the old tag or
I just ran the VIN and it's coming back to Texas,
Yep.
but it's expired in Texas as of January 23.
Yeah. But from my understanding, it sounds like the New York plate is expired, and her driver's license, her New York driver's license was expired with that or suspended.
Yeah, but why is it coming
and then Now
back?
she has a Texas tag, which is
But it's saying it's a different license plate.
yeah.
Under the VIN.
Probably the original New York tag is what.
No,
what
this
that
is
means.
it's a different license plate.
Yeah, but
In
that's what I'm
Texas.
saying. A different Texas one.
Yes.
Probably has people helping her out in different states.
Yep, that's
Because she said it has nothing to do with Texas, but that definitely says Texas permit.
It does. And when I held my phone over the QR code right there, it came up as
And it's
as
coming back
as
a
New Jersey.
19
It's like-
Nissan
It's I think
white,
It's a legit tag, but she's probably doing something shady on the back end.
because it's not coming back to, that tag comes back to nothing.
Because Texas tags are the easiest ones to get. Like every time, it's always like somebody's got a tag like this. It's always out of Texas. But I would say if her Florida driver's license that she's showing you looks legit and it's fine, and that tag is coming back to the car, and the car is not stolen.
No, the tag is not coming back to anything.
That tag right
Yes,
6255
Yes.
Juliet 36 out of Texas.
that's why I
comes
had to
back
run the
nothing.
VIN. It comes back to nothing. Nothing assigned.
Well, then that might be a fake tag.
Because she can't provide me documentation either.
She doesn't have registration.
No, nothing.
Well, then it's probably fake.
We're almost done.
Hi.
Your car used to be registered in New York before you moved here?
Of course.
Okay. And what happened to that tag?
I had to let it go.
Usually you can move here with the tag.
Okay.
So why'd you have to let it go?
Because I did it.
Did what?
I let it go.
So you drove it here with no tag?
I drove it with a tag.
The New York tag? Which tag?
Whatever tag I had.
Which is what?
Why are you asking me so many questions like that?
I'm asking you the same question, but you're not answering the question. So
But
I'm trying to rephrase
honestly
it a different
speaking,
way.
like, why are you asking me about my tag, though?
Because you had a New York tag, and people don't usually give away good tags. So I was asking what happened to that good tag that you had from New York.
All right, you don't... I just let it go.
Do you mind stepping out of the vehicle for me real quick?
I don't have no shoes.
That's
I took
okay.
them off.
We're in Florida.
I had,
That's fine.
I had high heels.
I don't blame you. Just come to the back of the vehicle, okay? So what's going on is when I run the car with the VIN, completely different tag. So it's
Wow.
coming back to a KWK 9300. It states that it was suspended back in New York, and that your New York driver's license obviously is expired, okay? This tag comes back to absolutely nothing. I've run it out of Texas because it's saying it's a Texas permit, and I've run it out of New York. Absolutely nothing.
Wait, hold on. You talking about my license? It's
The
suspended?
New York one.
All right,
This one's
but-
fine.
All right, that's what I'm saying.
So-
Oh, okay.
So
What's up?
because this comes back to nothing, and it's showing that the original tag is completely suspended,
It makes no sense.
but you can't provide anything. So as of right now, it's an unregistered vehicle.
It makes no sense. All right, give me a second. Let me see.
Yeah.
If I,
Wait, just hold on.
Hey,
Just
hey.
hold on for a sec.
Hold on.
Hold on for
Let me
one
see
sec.
if I find something in my glove compartment.
Registration?
Give me a
Okay.
second. Give me a second.
And you don't know where you got this tag?
Give me a second. I don't. I got it from New York. I got it from someone. That's it. It's under my name though. Oh, here you go. Excuse me. Why you taking that?
Because as of
From-
right now, it doesn't belong to the car, so you can't
That
drive
is
with it on
that
the
is
car.
from my car. No, wait, hold on. No. You're not gonna take something from my car that doesn't. No,
It doesn't belong to your car.
it does
as of
belong to
right
my car
now.
because it is from my car.
I asked
I
you.
had it for a very long time. So I suggest you give me My tag.
I asked you for information
No.
about the tag.
All right,
when I
so
came
there
up
you
to the
go.
car and you said
Can
you
you
didn't
give
have
me?
it.
Can you give me my tag? Give me my tag
Ma'am.
for my car.
Ma'am.
Give me my tag
Talk
for
to
my
her.
car. Give me the tag for my
Man,
car.
turn around and talk with her.
We're
Give
trying to do
me
this in the
the
easiest way
tag.
we can.
For my car.
Ma'am.
Okay, the tag's on your car. Now talk to her.
Okay.
No. Ma'am, we're not.
Excuse me.
So the tag comes back to nothing.
In a display of
Regardless.
extreme patience, the deputy decides to give the driver a break. Instead of a physical arrest for the criminal charge of operating an unregistered vehicle, she offers a notice to appear, essentially a ticket that allows the driver to go home to her children. But instead of signing and staying calm, the driver chooses to escalate, arguing over the confiscated tag and ignoring the fact that she was one signature away from walking away.
Regardless.
It's still under my name.
I understand.
Yes, it is.
But the only thing that's coming under your name is the other tag that was on this vehicle. This
What is
literally comes back to nothing.
Okay.
KWK 9300 is what is registered to this vehicle. That is
This
coming
is-
back to nothing.
Are
going
you
back to
kidding
nothing.
me?
It's coming back to absolutely nothing. I ran it multiple times out of Texas and New York trying to help you out. It's coming back to nothing.
You really gotta be kidding me right now.
Again, it's coming back to nothing.
This is my tag.
Yep, but ma'am,
for my
guess
car.
what? This deputy's giving you a break.
I'm
She's
giving you a
cutting
break.
you a break.
I could be taken to
Okay?
jail.
So-
You're not going to
So-
jail,
All
but
right,
you
so
need to
what you
provide that
telling me,
information.
though? Yeah,
Would you let me
over
talk?
here telling me all of
Would
this
you let me
stuff.
talk?
All right. So
I'm trying to explain to you what's going
Uh-huh.
on. Okay?
then.
So, I'm giving you a notice to appear. It's
Uh-huh.
a ticket. It's you have to go to court on this instead of me physically arresting you
Okay.
because this is a criminal charge. Okay?
Okay.
So I just need your signature on that, and I'm not giving you a ticket for the speed.
What? Speed for what?
I stopped you for speeding.
Oh my
honey.
God.
She's giving you a warning for speed.
I'm giving you
No
a warning
ticket.
for that instead of a ticket, on top of everything else.
How is it even? You see that I was picking
Yep.
up my
All right,
kids.
regardless, we're not
right
talking
here.
about
All right, we're just gonna get this done.
that. Yep. Where's the signature?
Signature for what again?
So
Signing
again,
that you're getting a ticket.
I'm providing you this
For-
notice to appear instead of you physically going to jail. I need your signature on it, and if you do not sign,
For
you will be going to jail.
for
It's just providing that you got this notice to appear
for
to go to court.
for.
The unregistered vehicle.
Okay. Unregistered, but this is in my name.
When they take
Again,
it with you and
okay.
show it to the judge.
Okay. All right.
The dynamic shifts instantly when the driver snatches the paperwork out of the deputy's hand and refuses to follow commands. In Florida, this behavior crosses the line into resisting without violence. In front of her children and over a piece of illegal metal, she turns a roadside warning into a custodial arrest. We see the deputy's demeanor change from helpful to strictly professional as the handcuffs come out.
I'm gonna take this.
I need both the tag and this. We're not playing this.
We're gonna take them.
For what?
Because it's evidence in the case. We're not playing
Well, this is
Ma'am,
mine.
We're not playing this.
I'll bring it. I'll bring it to
No,
the court.
we're not.
I'll bring it to
All
the
right,
court.
screw it.
I'll bring it to the court.
No,
all right,
we're
you
not
got
doing
your
this.
Wow. Are you serious right now? My kids is in the car.
Yep. You're setting a bad example for your kids.
I would have brought it to the court.
She
You
was
didn't
gonna bring it
have
to
to.
You won't
You
listen.
really
good, we're
didn't
good, we're good,
have
we're
to.
good.
You won't listen. I was trying to get you from having to do this.
Ma'am, our decision's been made now.
I was doing everything to help you out.
Really, bro? No, wait,
Stop,
hold on, please.
stop,
My kids.
stop.
Wait, hold on, my
That's why I was
kids.
doing what I was doing.
No, wait, hold on, my kids. Please, I apologize, man.
366. Here we go, 115.
Please.
No, you already had your,
No, wait, hold on. They don't have.
you already had your opportunity. You wouldn't listen to me. I was trying to help you out.
Please, I'm sorry. Please.
I told you
My
multiple
kids,
times.
Please, no, my kids, no, please.
Do you have anyone that can get them?
No, I really
no
don't.
family, no nothing?
No, please. I'm sorry.
We'll get it figured out.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. No, wait, no.
You had your
please.
opportunity.
Oh, shit. Oh my God! Wait.
No.
Wait,
No.
can I
Yeah,
tell
just
my
get it.
kids something, please?
I will let you in a minute.
Wait,
Hold her.
please,
Sorry, pat her
no,
down.
wait, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I tried working with you
Please,
multiple times.
no, wait, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. No, my kids. Please, I'm sorry, please. My kids
Just
don't
please, I tried to help you multiple times.
Oh, I'm sorry. No way. I
Do
apologize.
you have anything on you that's going to be
No,
considered
no, no.
contraband?
Wait, no. Espérate, please. Don't do it.
Do
Please.
you have
my
anything
kids.
on you that is going to poke me, prod me, or be contraband in the jail?
No, please. My kids.
All right, ma'am, spread your feet and lean up against the car.
Oh, God. Doing my kids. No, please.
I gave you every opportunity.
No, wait. No, espérate. I apologize, bro. I'm sorry. Please. No.
You lost that chance. Spread your legs.
Don't kick her.
I'm not.
All right. Yep.
Please don't know my kids. Please no, espérate. No, please.
Get in the car. We're not playing this. We're not playing this.
I'm sorry.
I gave you every opportunity.
No, espérate,
We're not playing this. Get your legs in the car.
My kids.
All right, you need to listen to me, okay? We're finished. We're finished with what happened here today, okay? But you're a mother, and you need to look at me. You're a mother, right? These are your kids. Where do you live?
I'm sorry.
Okay, but where do you live?
I live in 15.
Right there?
11531 Cameron Street.
Well, then why is your daughter telling you live right there?
That's my babysitter.
That's your
She was
babysitter's house?
away. She was watching my kids. Yes.
Okay. For how long?
I came to pick them up this morning.
Okay, because she's telling us you just went to the store real quick and then you came back.
I know.
So you do not live here.
I know.
Do you have an adult that could take custody of these children?
No. Mama,
What about the babysitter? What about the babysitter? You gotta listen. We're trying to figure some stuff out, okay?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't.
All right. I'm just gonna roll up the window.
What? Wait, hold on. What's going on?
Okay, so is this your phone?
Yes, indeed.
Okay, so I have
Can
your
I
phone.
get my phone?
It'll be with your stuff in
Can I
jail.
get my phone right now?
No, you cannot,
Why not?
because you're under arrest. Do you want me to
Excuse
explain
me?
what's going on?
Yes, indeed.
Okay, so once again, I was trying to cut you a break by giving you a notice to appear, and you proceeded to keep going on and on and on, and then rip the
About
paper out of
what?
my hand. Not listening.
About what? You have my stuff. Why
It's
you
not
gonna give it
yours.
to me?
It's not yours.
Yes, it is mine.
No,
It had my name on it.
it's not a
It has
legal
my
tag.
name on it, though.
I'm not arguing with you.
Okay. Wow. And then what? What are we gonna do about this? Well, my kids.
They're with the babysitter. And
Excuse
instead
me?
of towing your car, we're putting it in the driveway so you don't have to deal with that, okay?
You are putting me under arrest for what?
Again, if you wouldn't have kept
For
talking
what?
over me, that is
For
an
what?
unregistered vehicle.
Because you getting mad?
No, it's an
You
unregistered
getting
vehicle,
mad for
and you
what?
continue
'Cause
to
it's
resist.
mine. It's still under my name, bro.
4113.
You got intimidated because I snatched my people out of here. Y'all taking the tag out of my car. Y'all not telling me nothing. Now you taking my paper. Give me my. Y'all didn't tell me nothing. Like, oh my God. Woo, woo, woo. But then again, I'm in handcuffs. She got intimidated. I snatched my paper out of her hand.
The encounter ends with the driver in the back of a patrol car while deputies arrange care for her children. She now faces a laundry list of charges, including resisting without violence, failure to register a motor vehicle, and using an unassigned license plate, on top of the original speeding warning. As the lesson goes, sometimes staying quiet and signing the paper is the fastest way home. Arguing with the law often costs much more than just a fine. Don't forget, my friend, to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and like the video so I can continue making exciting videos for you.